I have a feeling that the water cannot be diverted. It can create, firstly, Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir will be totally submerged. So, Indus Waters Treaty has survived the wars between India and Pakistan. And Pakistan's situation will be seen minutely by the international community because it's a lifeline for Pakistan. And I have a feeling that better sense will prevail. If India has extra water, where shall India divert those waters? It has to flow all the time to Pakistan. I'm not worried about Pakistan's need for irrigation or drinking water. That is for the rulers of Pakistan. But as somebody who knows a little about this treaty, and this treaty stood the test of times already, so I think waters will flow in the natural course.